write x squared minus 4x minus 5 in the form x plus p all squared plus q. So we've got x minus 4x minus 5. So what we do, you remember, you look at this number here and you take half of it. So half of minus 4 will be minus 2. Now you write down x minus 2, put brackets in and square it. Write in the minus 5. And then over here, if we expand x minus 2 squared, we will get x squared minus 4x plus 2 squared. Now, because we've added in 2 squared in doing this process here, to balance the thing out here, we will need to take away 2 squared. So we now get x minus 2 all squared minus 5 minus 4, so now becomes x minus 2 all squared minus 9, and that's now in the correct format, x plus p squared plus q, where note that p will be equal to minus 2 and q will be equal to minus 9 in this case. Okay, so this has been a video, an example on how to convert a simple quadratic into the form x plus p all squared plus q, which is known as completing the square. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.